It's been a while nung last na nag-upload ako dito sa YouTube. So, it's been 6 months. That time, it was very awkward and I do not have the confidence yet to talk in front of the camera, especially in public. But now, I still don't have that confidence. Kaya nga nandito ako sa bahay nagre-record. Anyway, I'm making videos again. Well, actually, I did not stop making videos. I just stopped uploading it on YouTube. Tsaka, another thing is, the reason that I am talking about this right now is that nakita ko yung mga folders, yung mga footages I filmed throughout the months nung nagsimula yung 2026. Ang dami siya. Actually, matibang folder. So, from January 2026 hanggang May 2026. By the time of recording, so it's already June 2026. 6 months. Grabe. Yung huling upload ko sa YouTube ay way back. January pa naman. January 2026 naman. But, that is the bare start ng 2026. Nakalagay nga dito sa YouTube 5 months ago. So, I will start again. I will continue. I will resume what I left off. Actually, I enjoyed it. Hindi ko rin alam kung tatapusin ng mga viewers itong video na to. Pero, ang importante is I am back at it again. I'm doing it again. Because this is for myself. I just want to make videos. I just want to film. If I can't every day, at least once a week. Kasi as of now, medyo tamad. That's the point naman. Tamad in terms of editing and in terms of filming. So, ngayon, what I will do is to make a compilation of the footages that I captured or I filmed this past few months or this past 6 months of 2026. So, hindi ko nahabaan. This is just visualization.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home, put our to-do list.
This is it for now. I hope I have the courage to continue this throughout the 2026. Sobrang dami nangyari. Unexpected and expected things. It's not all good. It's not all bad. So, I have to go with the flow of the life. This one's for now. Okay, bye.